Hi everyone, I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and today I'm going to show you how to install door trim on a jamb that's not quite square. For this we're going to be using a 1x4 piece of trim, a carpenter's pencil, a trim gun hooked to an air compressor. We're also going to be using a compound saw. If you don't have one, see if your friend does. If he doesn't, you might be able to go to a hardware store and they can cut it for you there. The first thing I do is put the trim into place and put one in the middle just to tack it. Next, I take my top piece and I slide it behind the trim. Take and mark a line. Now if you notice, this is a 45-degree angle. We're going to leave this at 45 and cut this one right here. It's the fastest way to figure out the angle. After you make your cut, go ahead and just dry fit it in there to make sure you like the way it looks. If you do like the way it looks, go ahead and nail it off. I'm Joshua Clement with Lighty Contractors, and you just learned how to install door molding on a jamb that's not quite square. Good luck with your project, and thanks for watching.